My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power and the whip of the wrists in this shot.
This is magnificent. Have a look at this. The recoil. It could have been a little fuller, but it was pretty full. The targeting of the boundary. Have you seen a shot like that?
What a shot! What was that? How did he get it there? How did he hit that full toss? What is that thing?
Good hit. It was a helicopter shot for 6. Magnificent.
The helicopter comes to Dublin. What a shot this is. What a clean strike. Again, this gives the fans something to cheer about. Look at that. Full wish of the bat. Straight out of the MS Dhoni handbook.
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before. That's real whippage.
Typical Dhoni shot. Look at the bottom hand. And look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPCL. And he's cleared it quite easily.
Sixes and a Dhoni copter.
Oh, he's got under that cutting. That's big. That's big. That's home among the gum trees. 4 for 370. Ben Cutting.
He's called MS, and have a look at that one. That's beautifully done. Wow, great effort. He's a heavily built individual and really had the power and force to clear the fence. On the full, wonderful shot. 77 meters.
Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Fila trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Now, just watch this backlift and watch the follow-through at the moment of impact.
Just now, Eden Gardens. He's golden. Or as he knows, he's gone before. Stunning that. I thought I saw Azharuddin just walk off, but that was a stunning shot. That's on for 4 more. Can you match this? Just slug the ball through mid-wicket. Also a no ball.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the
who's back. Still doing that, Andre? Oh, for sure.
Motors. And we've seen some extreme hitting, but that has been the biggest by far from Ryan Tenduskarter. He has absolutely moosed that out of the park. There we go. Very honest.
Get him in the team for Saturday.